Happy 4th of July, y'all. Woo! Fireworks! Fires are working as intended. I really like the 4th of July. I just like seeing all the fireworks. Did you know technically fireworks are illegal? But just 4th of July, breaking the law. Having a fun time breaking the law. But, I mean, I like them. I like the fireworks. Last year, me and my mom just drove around the city looking at all the fireworks. Can't do that this year, but I still like seeing the fireworks around. Definitely hear them. Don't see them though. Huh. Tell me if you saw